Hello, so today we will see how to change the initial color of a graphics. So here, if we want to add graphics for this product, then if we click on add graphics, and if we want to add these graphics for our t-shirt, then we can see the graphics is added but the color is not appeared. So if we want to change the initial color of our graphics, for that we need to go our InkyBay admin panel. So from InkyBay admin panel, we need to hover our mouse on design and then click on manage clippers. So here we can see all the graphics, and here if we click on edit, and then if we click on this drop down, then we can see all the printing types are here. So as I'm using test printing types for that product, so you can see the graphic color is now white. So if we change the color, let's say in black, and save our setting, and then go back to our design lab and reload our design lab, and now if we click on add graphics, if we add these graphics, then we can see the color is now black. So this is how we can change the initial color of our graphics. Thank you.